Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, today I came on live. Friends, especially today I came before you with the many issues and incidents. Friends, on those, I wanted to share to you only one. But I wanted to share to you what is those only main lines only. Friends, two matters were occurred in the Hyderabad city. One was the two friends, they were killed and murdered to their friend. Another one tribal pregnant woman murdered in Kagaz Nagar, who was a relationship with her, the extramarital relationship. He was killed to the one pregnant woman, tribal woman. Another one mother, she was killed to the her daughter, and she was sustained injuries to her son before suicide bid. Another one, two youngsters, they were driven into the Musi river in Hyderabad. Another one, fire caught at a furniture shop in Palaknoma in Hyderabad. And friends, on the illegal, the which are the contraband, illicit, the ganja, also that case also registered from the Nalgonda. Many was occurred, many was registered. I want to share to you about the which was the tribal woman, tribal pregnant woman, who was murdered, who was killed by the who was relationship with her. Who was a died woman. Her name was the Sammakka, Atram Sammakka, and who was the accused person. His name is a the uh, Jalpati. Jalpati, he had an allegedly murder relationship with Sammakka, and that reportedly killed her after she was pregnant. She was preserved for the marriage. What happened, who was the victim woman. She had the relationship the Jalapati few year ago. Then after already who was the victim person, who was the culprit, he already married, and he has the family. But even he did the one extramarital affair with the Sammakka. Then after Sammakka, she got the pregnant. When that lent to him, he reportedly wantedly eliminate her, and he murdered her. When the Sammakka forced him, when the Sammakka pressured him for the marriage, that time he was called her, and he was summoned her where there the forest area near the friends, Kondapalli in Penchikalpet Mandal of the Komramim Asifabad Komramim Asifabad district. There was on Monday that reviled. Actually, that incident happened 4 days before, but that lent, and that came under the light on the Monday by the who was the victim person, who was the accused person. His brother intimated to the police officials. Actually, who was the accused person when he was murdered to the Sammakka. Then after he was informed to the his brother about the incident murder. Then after his brother informed to the police officials, the police officials traced the area, and after then they received the body. Then after they sent to the body uh, government hospital for the postmortem. you know who was the victim person. He was allegedly, reportedly he was murdered her, and then after he was confessed, accused, allegedly confessed to the killing Samakka. You know, they were the say to her into forest, took her into forest, and then after he killed. After then what he lent, what he get, what he got the by that murder. He already he under the control of the police officials, and the police officials, they sent to him remand. And after then what he have to do, has to do, he has to do, he live his life, the jail life. That one is the punishment. That's why, who are the married person, the women or men, won't involve and won't do such type of extramarital affairs, which is the illegal affairs. Won't take such type of extreme step. The such type of extramarital illegal affairs that led Paul to such type of extreme step. That's why no one take. One woman was died, murdered by the one accused person who was with her relationship with her. What happened after he also went to the jail, and he survived with the jail life. That's why, no one takes such type of extreme step. Everyone who are the married person or unmarried person, anyone fell on love, the who are the married person won't fell love on others. You have to express, you have to give the love and affection to your family, your wife, your aspirants. That only won't take the such type of extreme step. And who are the unmarried boy and girl, who are the youth, they want to fall in on love. They have to resort to the parents, they have to resort to the elders, they have to resort to the police station. Otherwise won't take such type of extreme step, and won't murder, won't kill to others. That's not correct. We have not such type of chance. And no one do such like. Really, this is my humble request to everyone. Friends, that many incidents occurred, registered, that came under the light. But you see how many incidents, how many murders, how many issues, the accidents, the different type of different kind of incidents registering, and that have been continuing. That's why the police officials should be take the stringent action who are involved in such type of incidents and murders and issues, should be give the stringent action and won't take such type of extreme step. I am giving the suggestion to my friends. Thank you. JB.